Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exporting the calendar so you have a clean copy to move. Open Outlook and sign into the source profile, then go to File, Open and Export, and choose Import/Export. Pick Export to a file and select Outlook Data File, PSD. Next, select the calendar folder, include subfolders if you need meeting details from shared calendars. Finally, pick a secure location and file name. This creates a transferable snapshot you'll import next. Once done exporting, switch to the target Outlook account where you want the calendar copied. Navigate again to File, Open and Export, and choose Import/Export. This time pick Import from another program or file and select the PSD you exported. When prompted, map the source calendar to the target's calendar folder so items land in the right place, and choose how duplicates are handled. Import will merge events. If you want separate visibility, consider importing into a new calendar folder first. You finish by reviewing the copied calendar for accuracy. Check event times, recurring patterns, and attendee lists. If the target uses Exchange or Office 365, make sure server sync completes. Give it a few minutes and restart Outlook if items don't show. If something went wrong, re-import only the missing range or try importing into a separate folder, then move items. Alternatively, use calendar sharing or publish/subscribe methods when PSD import fails. This helps isolate and fix common import issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.